staring at a blank page? AI is the ultimate brainstorming partner. It never runs out of ideas and builds on yours. Let me show you why the AI brainstorming works. AI has been trained on millions of creative works, business plans, and problem solving scenarios. It's like having a team of experts. What kind of topics can you brainstorm? Business ideas, content for social medias, solution to problems, event themes, product names, market campaigns, anything that you can think of, you can brainstorm using AI. The secret? First ideas are rarely the best. So ask AI for at least 10 ideas and pick the one that works best for you. Ask AI to give you more information and to brainstorm along with you with your ideas. Let's use ChatGPT to brainstorm some ideas. So the first prompt that I'm entering is I'm asking ChatGPT to generate small business ideas that require less than $5,000 to start, or you can put your own currency, can be run part-time and serve business professionals. I've asked ChatGPT to be specific and creative. So let's see the business ideas that ChatGPT suggests. First is mobile dry cleaning and laundry pickup service, virtual personal assistant for professionals. And now it is, if you see the response, it's quite thorough. It is giving you the idea what it is, why it works, startup cost, and part-time potential. And this is just the first response. You can be iterative and ask for more questions and more information. So now we've got our 10 ideas. Let's pick one idea from the list. Let's say we pick the idea number 3. So I would say I like idea number 3, and I'm asking ChatGPT. And as you see, my question says idea number 3. So ChatGPT is intelligent enough to understand what was idea number 3. And I'm asking for a detailed business plan now. As you see, idea 3, healthy choice lunch delivery. So I've asked that. I've told ChatGPT that this is my preferred idea and asked for a business plan. So one by one, it will generate the business plan for me, target customer, pricing strategy, and so on and on. It can give you a lot of information that you can put in the business plan. Now let's look at another demo. And in this demo, I'm asking ChatGPT and I'm telling ChatGPT basically that I run a small bakery, generate 15 engaging post ideas for the next month. Mix of product photos, behind the scenes, customer stories, and so on. So now once I've given this prompt to ChatGPT, it will give me a list of 15 post ideas that I can post throughout the month. So the first week is 5 posts, start product spotlights, start of the week, limited edition, before and after cake, and so on. So it is giving me a curated response of the 15 posts that I can post in the next month on Instagram. Now let's look at another demo. And in this demo, we are solving a problem. We are brainstorming ideas with ChatGPT to solve a problem. And it says, my small team is overwhelmed with customer support emails, about 50 a day. We need to respond faster without hiring more people. Brainstorm 10 creative solutions from low tech to high tech. ChatGPT, with whatever knowledge it is trained, it will tell us the ideas that we have requested for. You can always look at the responses. If you think something is not right, you need a tweak in the response, you can tell ChatGPT that this is the tweak I want. And it has to be iterative. The most important word from this training or this video is iteration. You have to be iterative with ChatGPT to get to a perfect answer. See, look at the response. We've got responses for all the brainstorming ideas that we have asked ChatGPT. Let's look at some techniques that you can use to brainstorm with ChatGPT. Technique 1, 10-5-1 method. Ask for 10 ideas, pick your top 5 and ask AI to combine them into one ultimate idea. Technique 2, ask ChatGPT for an idea and then keep going back and forth. Technique 3, reverse it. Ask what would not work, what would make this idea fail. Help identify weakness easily and early. Common mistakes that we make: don't stop at the first batch of ideas. Again, iteration is the key. The best stuff comes from iteration. Push AI to think bigger, wider, and more practical and more creative. Now, there is a challenge for you. Brainstorm something you need, like a business idea, party theme, or anything. Just put in the comment what was your idea and what was the response from AI. And then share your favorite AI suggestion. Now in the next video, we would create images without design skills. This one's visual and fun. Thank you.